Good morning, class. Just going to do a few examples. This is the first one. We are going to use the distributive law here. We can see that we have brackets here. First thing that we want to check is, can't we simplify what we have inside the brackets? We can't, because we don't have like terms. Remember, like terms is if you have the same base and the same exponent. Here we have a base of a. There we don't have any base. Okay, so they are unlike terms. We can't simplify this, so we have to go and get rid of the brackets, and we will do that using the distributive law. Now remember, what is in front of the brackets here is actually a 1, but when you use the distributive law, you're going to work with this -1 that's in front of the brackets, and that -1 you'll first multiply with -2a, and then you're going to multiply it with +3. Okay, so that is very important. You have to multiply it with a sign as well. That is extremely important. So let's do this. The -a is going to remain there. Okay, nothing's going to happen. We're first going to simplify the brackets, get rid of the brackets. So it's -1. Don't just write a negative here and then say 1 times -2a. Okay, it's going to cause problems. You have to take -1, multiply it with -2a. What do we get? We get positive, because it's a negative times a negative, and we get 2a, because 1 times 2a is 2a. Then we take the -1 and we also multiply it with a +3. It's a negative times a positive, giving us a negative, and 1 times 3 will give us 3. Okay, so we are almost done, but we must first investigate and see if we have any like terms here, and we do. Remember that there's a coefficient of 1 there. I want you to write it in there, because now we see it's -1a plus 2a. Those are like terms. The -3 is just going to stay there. It doesn't have any partners. No friends for that guy, unfortunately. -1a plus 2a will give us +1a. So we're just going to write a 1a. It's not necessary to write the positive, because if there's no sign, it is a positive. So it's 1a minus 3. Now remember, we don't have to write the 1 there. It's good practice to leave out the 1. So it's a minus 3. Okay, thank you guys. Very important, the distributive law here. Many of you struggled in the test with this one. Thank you.